Hello and welcome to Cisco Small Business Video on Demand. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up an RV300 series router. Cisco Small Business RV300 series routers are easy to configure, giving you security, adding growth and collaboration to your business. After you log into the router, click on Setup. Under the network settings, you'll have the option to change your subnet or change your WAN IP address. By default, the WAN is set to obtain an IP automatically. Here you can change your options to match your ISP's settings. The RV300 series come with dual USB ports that support 3G, 4G modems or flash drives. Here is where you configure your modem settings. You may also use the USB failover settings. This will provide you redundancy in case of WAN failure. If you prefer to change your host name, you may do it here. I'm going to use RV320. And if you do not have a domain name, you may leave this section blank. If you need to change your DHCP scope, click on DHCP. Then change your device IP address. For this demonstration, I'm going to use 172.16.5.1. If you click on Range Start, it'll automatically fill in the DHCP scope for your new subnet. For this demonstration, I'm going to shorten the DHCP scope to 172.16.5.10 through .30. Next, you have an option for your DNS server. For this demonstration, I'm going to use DNS as below. Then enter your preferred DNS server. Down below, you also have TFTP server options for voice over IP. After you click Save, you'll be prompted to change your IP address. Click Yes. After the router reboots, you will then obtain a new IP address. If you have the Cisco Find It tool installed in your browser, you can use it to discover and open the login page. Or you can type in the IP address in your browser. After you log into the router, click on System Management, then click on Diagnostic. Here is where you can test connectivity to the internet or your local network. Next, click on Firmware Upgrade. From here, you can upgrade to the latest firmware using your PC or from a USB drive connected to one of the USB ports on the RV320. If you click on Backup and Restore, here is where you perform a backup of your configuration before you do an upgrade. Next, click on Port Management, then click on VLAN Membership. Here is where you can add multiple VLAN IDs. The RV320 only supports up to 7 VLANs. Next, click on Firewall. Here's where you enable remote management and the SSL VPN. Click on Save to save your settings. You will then be prompted on how to log in remotely. Next, click on Access Rules. This is where you can allow or deny specific IP addresses or ports to your network. Next, click on Content Filter. This is where you can deny access to specific websites or by blocking keyword searches. Next, click on VPN. Then click on Gateway to Gateway. This is where you can set up a site-to-site IPsec VPN tunnel between multiple offices. The RV320 allows up to 25 site-to-site VPN tunnels. Next, click on Client to Gateway. This is where you can set up to 25 IPsec VPN clients. The RV300 series routers do not support Quick VPN. Next, click on SSL VPN, then click on Group Management. This is where you can create groups and assign users to those groups. Next, click on Advanced Setting. Here you can change your SSL VPN service port to 443, 10.443, or 20.443. Next, click on User Management. This is where you can add users and assign them to a specific group. Next, click on Wizard. Here you can launch the basic setup wizard or the access rule setup wizard to assist you with your configuration. That concludes this demonstration of how to configure an RV300 series router. Here is a list of more Cisco small business devices that may also suit your business needs. For more information, visit www.cisco.com, or if you need technical support, call 1-866-606-1866. Thank you for choosing Cisco Small Business, and I'd like to thank you for watching.